How's that?
Not really a fan
How's
of
the
it.
smell? Oh, why are you... Little...
But,
Nice.
I don't think man's opinion.
Okay, careful. That's the measurement of water. That's why you put that one in. Turn this down. He's not used to the Philippine weather, like hot.
Literally like winter in the UK.
Yeah. He's like complaining like it's very hot for him. It's like it's very hot. Yeah, so
Well, that's funny,
init
but-
init sa kidan niyo. That's it. I'm going to start cooking na. Naman ako ilis. Luto taog sudan. Paborito kay nina ako ng Argentina nga brand, ng corned beef, but nga natog patatas. And then cook the rice.
Shirley is sexy,
Okay.
guys.
You get Argentina corned beef. This is my favorite one. Then we have potato, patatas. Let's make him try this one. Bulad. Let's make him try this bulad. Bulad. And of course, our rice. I put this here. I bring this. Yeah, rice. I bring, nagdala ko gamay gikan sa balay. I'm going to cook this one. This is delicious. This is the actual delicious bilbao. Pan.
Cook like a shit. I'm just checking.
Okay, what else? I'm just going to use one of this.
Okay.
Potatoes.
Honey, the country's going to cost you to move in, so keep my remote job in London and just work and stay there. What do you think?
Maybe.
Is that a good idea?
Palitan na ito ng patatas. Isa ra kong gamiton kay tagka na yun ng kung doon na niya. Isa ra pod ka ano. So guys, isa ra pod ka lata to ang corned beef. Pagpapagod sa gamitan eh. Okay.
Wow, honey. You're on the way back. Yeah, I have to wait 5 hours inside the room. That's ridiculous, man. Honey, I don't want to go back and stay here.
Ang tani o kanang murag pas square. Pas square gid guys, di gid murag no sa ko ay ang kalimat na sa zebra design nga ni nahurat na niya tong kuan ni sa gatong English ha. Nagreklamo siya guys kay init daw kayo dito sa gym, like unsa daw ang gym dari nga tower ba, walay aircon, dili para sa ilaban na ang ilang gym kay the aircon halusa daw tanan aircon. Muna pagsulod na mo dari sa
I understand you
sa
talk rubbish
kondo.
about me. I can hear you talking rubbish about me.
Pag sulod na mo sa kondo, marag nalipay siya nakafeel og kan aircon. Kani Bilbao, paborito kay paborito ko din ni.
Give me a tin open ba?
Tungaan tayo siya kaduha. Dako ra mo siya. Nya, kami ra mo pud mga unpod. So, yeah.
That's gonna break.
Hindi ko kanang sana dili kay ko nang like pro gid kayo sa pagluto pero yan kanila kalha. Fairness na gid lang kalha kay mura man jud sa mga bukid dai dede nga na mo kalha dai labom kay lobot. So ako painit lang sa ina to kalha.
I was right, my name was like right next to it, I would use my teeth. But you use it.
Oil. Gamay natin butang. Oil, and then 3 times. We already put the rice. Yeah. Okay. You wash it 3 times.
I don't think man's okay.
3 times.
So when you say 3 times, you mean do I
Yeah.
get rid of the water?
Drain that one. Drain. Okay. You think that's enough? Yeah. Drain that one. That's enough. Okay. Careful. Okay.
Drain.
Okay, stop. That's okay. You put another You wash it again. That's the second.
Basically, if you want nice rice, go.
You're going to wash the rice like as if like the water it's for you. You think it's already clean, like clear. Then that's enough. Okay. So yeah. Okay. We finish washing it. What we're going to do is that's enough water. Enough. You use your tip of your hand like this to measure the water because we're going to cook that. No, stop. That's the measurement of water. That's enough. That's a lot.
I'm draining.
You drain like just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. Drain more. Okay, drain more. That's enough. Okay, you wash the cover.
Then it's a lot of effort for rice. Stop.
Okay, you put that one.
And now I'm going to sleep. So thank you everyone for watching.
You plug in, and then you turn this down.
How do I turn it down?
Down. Go, push.
Oh, okay.
Then that's will going to cook itself like a timer.
And you expect me to sit there
Yes.
like, let's say you cook rice just like that.
Thank you.
Thank you, one.
So mamahaw ta, corned beef, and yeah, bilbo and egg, white egg yolk. White egg yolk. What's that? Okay, yeah. Gakinamot ro. I usually use hand when I eat it. Gakinamot ko sa balay. Pero gagamit ko kutsara kay para ughunin kanon kay bisud bawon kinamot ka init kaayo day. Papaso ay mong kagalingan.
Salamat.
I'm explaining to them. You did salamat.
Salamat for the meal.
Salamat for the meal. Okay, let's try. You taste the rice. You cook that one. And then this one. Bilbao.
You guys are obsessed with this rice, but
Rice is life in the Philippines. Delicious.
Oh, really?
Told you. That is delicious.
what you need to do is chop all this up, mix it.
Yeah. And then.
Oh no, not the corned beef. But please, not the corned beef.
Nice more. It's hot, or the hot is bearable. And then corned beef with patatas. So try it, guys. What you can say? That's my favorite. Corned beef and patatas.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
That is not traditional corned beef.
And this one. This bulad.
What is
Ay, mga Bisaya people. Kabalagid sa bulad.
Dead fish.
Yeah, dead fish. First time niya mag-try aning bulad.
How do I eat this?
I'm going to like try.
Is there any intestines?
Make him taste this one. Let's see. Unsaya maingon. Unsaya maingon ng bulad. Lami ka ng bulad dong. Yan na pag-ingan na dong.
It's feeding back.
Okay, go. Rice. A little bit bulad.
What?
What you can say? Rice. You smell it.
Not
How's
really a fan
the
of it.
smell? Oh, why are you... Okay, yeah. So, mga unta.
The fish is a no. Well, oh, what do I think? Well,
The bulad with rice. Delicious?
no, I don't like the fish, unfortunately. The rice is not bad. Obviously, rice is rice.
How about the smell? You like the smell of the bulad?
No. I don't like. It sounds a bit weird, but I don't like fish that tastes and smells fishy. Does that make sense?
It's okay.
Does that make sense?
It's too salty.
It is quite salty.
It's salty.
Yeah, so it's a saltfish.
How about my favorite corned beef with
Yeah,
patatas?
that's okay. I would say that's 6, 7 out of 10.
Bilbao.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
If you put all of that with the rice, I'd eat all of it.
Yeah.
Quite.
Okay. Mukhaon daw siya kung isagol ning Bilbao og rice ng like mahurot daw niya ang kanon niya. Matod pa siya ha. Matod pa niya. Actually siya nagluto aning kanon no, ang kanon lata-lata. Tapos niya daghan kay tubig ang ibutang niya. Uy, mura mo jud piling mo niya isa ka baril kay ibutang uy. Nag-enjoy ra ba mo sa same niluto nga rice? It's delicious. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
Salamat.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.